we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I do have some new cleaning motivation for you. So we're gonna go ahead and just dive right in. Right now what I'm doing is just cleaning up this little coffee area. This is a new Keurig that I recently purchased from Target. And you guys know I had that bigger one for years. I got it from Costco and it just wasn't working properly for probably about a year and a half. So I finally went and got a new one, and I like this one a lot better because it's more compact and it's smaller, and then I like the color because it goes with my kitchen, I feel like.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down.
So I wanted to go ahead and clean my cabinets today. I'm not doing a deep clean where I get on the counter and wipe everything from top to bottom, but I did want to get the areas that we are grabbing or hanging on to that can sometimes get sticky and have food and stuff like that. And I'm just going ahead and using some Dawn dish soap on this microfiber cloth and wiping them down with just that.
That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know, no us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that you don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. We don't know, no us no more.
So I did go ahead and put down this pink stuff. I have a lot of their products and I really like them. What I'm doing is just kind of rubbing it all in, and I'm gonna let it sit there and clean a different area. Also, I wanted to update you guys that I did pick a winner for my giveaway from the other day, and I'm just waiting for them to respond, and then I will announce who it is. So if they don't respond in the next 24 hours, I'm gonna have to pick a new one, but I just wanted to give you guys the update.
Always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You.
So I did want to share a few photos from our trip. I said that I would share it all on Instagram, and I did. A lot of you guys were watching and following us over there. We did go to London, Paris, and Rome, and it was amazing. It was definitely a dream come true. So I wanted to include a few photos just in case you didn't end up following the journey over there on my Instagram. I know I posted some reels and stuff, but I showed the majority in my Instagram stories. We had a great time. We got to learn so much about history and just like see things that we knew of from like the movies and what we learned growing up, and actually like going to these museums and seeing it, and just seeing like the Eiffel Tower was so beautiful. The food was amazing, and it was just a really great experience. We walked like 20,000 steps a day, so I definitely miss being outside that much. It was sunny and beautiful and just nice to kind of get out of your normal routine at home and just experience something like that. So I wanted to share that with you guys over on here too.
Stronger than the others think, and who cares if you might mess it up? Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear. Say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're playing the beat. You got my high school t-shirt on, it's looking so easy. You killing my headphones with that song. The way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean the sink with this Power Paste. This is by Scrub Daddy. And if you don't know what Scrub Daddy is, it is the sponges, those smiley face sponges that I always use. This is one of their cleaning products. So I like to use it on my sink.
Standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. White lies and scars. Yeah. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a
Something that I always do after I clean my sink and rinse it, I'll go ahead and take like a dry cloth or a paper towel and just wipe it dry, and then it just looks more shiny. I didn't do this on camera this time. I don't know why, but that is the steps that I take when I clean my sink.
situations, standing on my own. They say that
So So I do keep my car in the garage now. So when we come in the house, we always put our shoes here. It just ends up being super cluttered and the shoes don't need to be in the kitchen. So I actually ordered this like shoe organizer from Amazon and it just got here. So I am going to set that up and share it in my next video. I'm really excited about it because I want to get our shoes more organized downstairs.
Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
So I'm using the last bit of this carpet odor eliminator. I did get this from Dollar Tree and I like to use it every once in a while, not all the time, just because it's more of like a chemical product, but it does freshen up the rug and the carpets, and I just let it sit there for a few minutes and then I'll go and vacuum it up.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we love in the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. 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 Something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. Something different about the way we are.
So now we're in my downstairs bathroom and this is the one that guests use, and so I like to make sure that I come in here as often as possible to clean it up. I am just vacuuming this rug real quick. I'm actually going to wash it, but I wanted to vacuum up the dog hair first so it just doesn't all go into my wash machine. And then I'm going to give the floor a quick vacuum and we'll mop it at the end. Well, we're going to steam mop it because I'm obsessed with steam mopping my floors now. And I actually cleaned the mirror and the sink and it didn't record. I hate when that happens. I don't have that footage, so I'm just showing you a clean sink and a clean mirror. We're going to go ahead and clean. I have Remy right here, so if you hear him breathing in the microphone, it's because he's right here. So anyway, we're going to clean the toilet. I usually wear gloves, but I didn't have any handy, so I'm just going in real quick, clean the toilet. I'm using paper towels on the toilet, and I'm going to use my Clorox wand to clean inside the toilet. I like to use these because you can just throw them away. And then I also like to go ahead and disinfect or clean the end of the wand after each use. I am pretty obsessed with this steam mop. Light and Easy is the brand, and it's really cool because not only can you use it as a steam mop, but you can take it apart and there's that tank, and that tank just becomes a straight steamer. So you can steam your toilet seat, you can use it around your house like for your windows. This comes with a lot of different attachments to do that, along with like steaming your clothes to get all the wrinkles out. Like you can do so much with it. It's super affordable and it is on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you to check out. It definitely is worth the money. So I'm just going ahead and changing out the cloths from the bathroom one to the one I'm going to go ahead and use throughout the house. I don't like to mix the two. And then I'm going to show you at the end everything that we get up from the downstairs floor and how dirty the pad was.
It's coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me out. But how do I get out? Yeah, how do I get out? I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. Let me know if you were cleaning with me today or just hanging out. Here is that dirty pad from the downstairs floor. Super satisfying, and so grateful for steam mops because it does such a good job. Subscribe down below if you are new. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.